Dino Sounds. What did dinosaurs sound like? Dino Sounds, written and illustrated by Aaron Joel Moriarity. Did dinosaurs sound like a cat? Imagine that, a dino-cat. Meow, meow, the dino-cat. Did dinosaurs laugh and play? And bark all day? Woof, woof, the Dog-a-saurus. How about the sound of a pig? Say the sound of this dinosaur and make it big. Oink, oink, the Pig-a-saurus. A bell, who could tell? Dinosaurs could have rung like bells. Ding dong, the Bellosaurus. Did dinosaurs sit on logs? And croak like frogs? Ribbit, ribbit, the Frog-a-saurus. Maybe a lion's roar was the sound of a dinosaur. Roar, roar, the Lion-saurus-rex. Did dinosaurs make a monkey noise? Just ask the dino girls and boys. The monkey-saurus. What about the sound of a car? How bizarre! A dino car. Vroom, vroom, the Car-cera-tops. What about the sound of a bear? Make dino-bear sounds if you dare. Grr, grr, the Bear-a-saurus. Of all the animals in your house, dinosaurs may have sounded like a mouse. Squeak, squeak, the Mouse-a-saurus. A horse, of course, a horse. Dinosaurs may have sounded like a horse. Nay, nay, the Horse-a-saurus. How about the sound of a duck? Imagine the luck, a dino-duck. Quack, quack, the dino-duck. Maybe dinosaurs sounded like you. See what kind of sound you can do. Grrr, grrr, the Kid-a-saurus. Dinosaurs. What did dinosaurs sound like? Dino Sounds. From Hot Games and Puzzles, LLC.